Dear students, now we will discuss about the enthalpy of formation. Enthalpy is a heat content of a system. At a state we cannot calculate the enthalpy of a system, but change in enthalpy we can be calculated. First of all, before moving towards the standard state, what is meaning of standard state? We will discuss on this. The standard state, by convention, is considered as 298 degrees Celsius Kelvin temperature and pressure 1 atmospheric or 1 bar is considered as standard states for any system. Now we will discuss what is meaning of enthalpy of formation. Suppose there is a hydrogen gas is there and one half O2 after it gives H2O. Therefore, for the formation of this H2O from its element, okay, these are the elements. Elements means the naturally occurring, these things are naturally occurring things, therefore it's elements. Okay, all the periodic tables, there is the elements is there. All these are the in periodic tables are the elements. Okay, but H hydrogen is present in the environment is H2. Therefore, H2 is an elemental form. Oxygen O2 as an elemental form. Okay, a single H is not elemental form or single O is not elemental form. Okay, this H2 is the elemental form. Okay, formation of a substance from its elements, some heat is changed. Okay, some during the formation, some heat changed. This is called as the enthalpy of formation. Formation of a substance from its elemental form at a particular temperature and pressure is called as the enthalpy of formation. A substance is from its elemental form that it gives the substance. Okay, from elemental H2 plus 1 half the O2 is the elements gives the substance. Therefore, heat change during the formation of substance from its elemental form. But how many substance is you consider? Heat change for the formation of 1 mole. Remember this. Heat change for the formation of 1 mole of substance from its elemental form at a particular temperature and pressure is called as enthalpy of formation. Important thing is what we see here. You have to produce the 1 mole. Okay, and from where you have to produce? By using its elemental form. And during this process some heat is absorbed or some change in heat is there. Okay, we have absorb or dissolve, some change in heat is there, and that change in heat is the nothing but the heat of formation, that is enthalpy of formation. We can measure change in enthalpy directly. Enthalpy of any substance we cannot measure, therefore change in enthalpy can be measurable quantity. Okay, change in how much heat is there, we can, by using your thermometer, the relation, we can found out the how many quantity heat is produced or it is gained or changed during this formation of H2 from its elemental form. This is the nothing but your enthalpy of formation. It is denoted by change in enthalpy delta HF. H is the stand for the enthalpy. This is for the total change. Okay, at the last, how many change is there? How much change is there? That is the delta, and F formation. F stand for the formation. Now, what is meaning of standard enthalpy of formation? Same definition. The heat change during formation of a substance from its elemental form. But what is in the standard state, at the standard state? Okay, at the beginning of lecture we discussed what is the standard state. Standard state is the 298 degree Kelvin temperature and pressure 1 atmosphere or 1 bar is a standard things. Okay, therefore change in heat during formation of 1 mole of substance from its elemental form, at the 298 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure, or other way we can say that during formation, a change in heat during formation of 1 mole of substance from its elemental form at a standard state is nothing but the standard enthalpy of formation. Okay, if you not mention the standard state is the 298 degree Kelvin is the standard state, and pressure is the 1 bar or 1 atmospheric is the standard state. If you not mention, is it okay? But you can, instead of this, you can say as a at the standard state. Okay, therefore we can define change in heat during formation of 1 mole of substance from its elemental form at a standard state is called as standard enthalpy of formation. It is denoted by delta 0 HF. This 0 is stand for the, it is having the standard state, that is enthalpy, change and the formation. Is denoted by delta 0 HF, delta naught or delta naught HF. This is the enthalpy of formation. Now, enthalpy of a reaction can be calculated from this equation, delta H0F of a reaction is equal to all summation of delta HF product minus all summation of delta HF not reactor. Okay, this is the formula. Suppose you have H2 plus 1/2 O2, you obtain the H2O. Okay, these are the elemental form of the H2O. Then, for this reaction, you can find the delta HF by using this delta H0F of H2O minus your delta HF0 H2 plus delta HF0 O2. Therefore, enthalpy of formation by the convention elemental form is the zero. Remember that. Suppose H is in universe in elemental form is there in H2 form, gas form. O is in the form of O2. Then your nitrogen in the form of N2 in environment, there is elemental form and naturally occurring elements, that is elemental form. For the elemental form, del enthalpy of formation, change in enthalpy of formation will be considered as a zero. Remember that. Therefore, heat of formation or enthalpy of formation of for the H2O is equal to delta H0 F of H2O. This is the nothing but the your change in enthalpy of formation for this reaction. Okay, change in enthalpy for reaction is given by this formula. This is all about the enthalpy of formation. Thank you very much for listening this.